I was watching an American, I don't know how I got it. I was on YouTube and I was on an American car dealer, and he's like an influencer over there, and he was talking about the next big thing that he foresees is selling cars on TikTok on the live stream, showing customers, we've got this car in stock, but doing it all live and saying, for the next half an hour, this car is going to have $500 off. So if you want to reserve it, put your application in for finance now. And he was saying, he sort of cited some company that were doing it in America, and they've had like real, genuine success off the back of that. Not spending any money on advertising, literally TikTok live selling cars.
Yeah.
And people are literally, messaging the page saying, yeah, I'll have it. I'll send me a deposit in.
Yeah.
It's like,
if you think about it, dealers are doing
that where it's heading.
Yeah, but if you think about it, I mean, dealers now do see it now, don't they? Or like a walk around video for customers tailored to it. If you think about it, if you just switch that on to TikTok instead of doing it on and send it direct to the punter, which you can still do, you open yourself up to a lot more punters.
Yeah.
So you're not actually doing any extra work, but you just put it out to a different medium. Customers tailored to it. If you think about it, if you just switch that on to TikTok instead of doing it on and send it direct to the punter, which you can still do, you open yourself up to a lot more punters.
Yeah.
So you're not actually doing any extra work, but you just put it out to a different medium.
Do you know what I've
Quite a clever thing to do.
I found really good the last 3 months is YouTube Shorts. So basically, at the end of the day, we do pictures of the cars and then leave the car running, and then we'll just walk around the car. Bit like what you do, Scott, I've seen on your website where you've got your salesman who goes around, doesn't he, and he like talks about the car. But we do it for like less than 1 minute 30. We don't talk or anything. We just go around the car and that's it. And some of them views on YouTube Shorts are unbelievable. Like you put it up in a day later, it's got like 1,500 views. So then you think, oh gosh, I'm going to sell that one pretty quick. So the way it is now, isn't it? If you just put a picture of your car online, customers going to look at the car online. Oh, that's a nice car. Might look to see your website, and then that's it. But if you can put your pictures on, then they're going to go onto your website. So you got onto the video. So they're sticking with you on the video. They're looking at the video. Oh, these are good. Then if they go on your Instagram, like our Instagram, we all do loads of talking on the like little clips from YouTube. So we get
I've seen them.
Our personalities across. And then you think, oh God, these lads are all right. And then, oh God, they've got a YouTube channel. So then you go on the YouTube channel, and then they feel like they know you. You know what I mean? And they've spent about 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes of their life watching you. Where if you're just a trader and you've just got a picture on your advert and that's it, which one are you going to go with?
I genuinely think it's going to, in 5, 6, 7 years, however long it takes, it's coming, that it's going to all change. And I think Auto Trader will all change, like I was saying before, like TikTok style. The way people consume media now is just totally, just dramatically changing. And I think anyone that gets on board with trying stuff now will only be ahead of the game.